That countryman will sing that song. He says, sing, and I say, what does make people they come together according to the way I hear. Say, many people they come together. That is why I like the song, because now coming together as one. I will like make some man and officers in big, so if he match the one way they there for them, because Sunday the one way they for them, he go match the one way they for up. Can news. Now only for can one television you figure can news. They don't touch we again. They don't touch Oga journalism very bad. So I talk to one of the vex. Oga Mukirogan, where there for Boyade, the countryman self, na representative for Boyade for my media prime, whether media idena for that side for Douala Day. So countryman today they catch it for that side for my 14. According to Tony way, we get they say people for my 14 they went as gendarmerie people there. They say they catch the man, so they don't carry for gendarmerie les all. Go lucky for day. According to what we hear and what they tell we, they say the countryman they begin intervene for some countryman where they begin naka. They say they begin naka the countryman. Now the man talks say they no molest the man for English no molest me say naka. If they say they begin knock the man so the man can talk say una no molest. Now they tell okay, we don't molest here. So they hold the man. They put in saboto one time. They carry one time for gendarmerie les gens. Show me that man against them make contribute to the CRC because the journalists they go for vex so they can attend especially for this Southwest. Now so they catch my own countryman again that day for Boyade. They catch you for Friday. Where you don't do nothing. As you just go down for taxi so gendarme they catch you. Na testimony again because Abidjane I go for gendarmerie for les gens me dit very les gens va tell you so. The countryman too na sport reporter. They catch the man. No matter what the man talk, they not tell you what he talk. Finally, they pay 25,000 before they move the man. For small work man they do a man struggle, when still catch man without any reason. So the Mukure can do that because he wants safe innocent man where they molest him. How well journalism say journalism is not a bad profession. When I allow journalism to do their work, when I respect we. But when I no one respect we, anytime when I hold we, anytime when I lock we, anytime we pay money, na for wetin. God go judge una. I say wetin? God go judge una. So we tell the Kanamuri people they say wetin happen, wala Bokili can do na wetin, again right for talk say they no molest anyone because say una dey na for protect we, and if you see anyone when I molest am, we go talk. So the people that be concerned, may they release that party man. Because the journalists they want vex, when they want vex, the town, the country, they go talk upside down. So when I release them, when I release it, no, 5 farm, we don't get a so for pay. So when I release it. So according to the government, they say human rights lawyer, they say they be there for go see how the fee struggle for Mukiregan, but the country people as usual, they never ever get they never ever get see where they take lock man. When December don't start council, when I want make una money, when I go cash people, they anyhow they lock up. Cash they lock up. Very. Me I no want talk plenty catch peoples. They go and know say anyone I want to for outside there, when I work on an ID card. I want policeman hold you where your ID card, he don't tell you to wait, but I don't give 25,000. No jam. Tell say make people there, so they may take out so can they make can take out so what you do. Because you get right as a Cameroonian for work at any time for inside Cameroon, especially when you wear your ID card. Because when we work for daytime, we work for afternoon, so when we work for start for night. So we are there for protect we are not there for go for where we all time. Then we can pay 25,000. Now December the council know 50 people there will catch up for Boya, all man pay 25,000 price. That money going for government or going for their personal pocket. Make us not talk plenty, but we don't talk. We will move Mukiregan because the countryman he not do anything. Anyway, they make her take some more water. Say go drink some more water, come back.